So it's been a while since we talked about credit. And as you all know, in this economy, we are currently in a high interest rate environment. That's why it is important to know and have the tools to optimize your credit score correctly. And if you aren't familiar with Smart Credit, it is a tool that you can use to optimize your credit situation. So let's talk about Score Boost. Score Boost is one of my favorite tools within the Smart Credit application. And as you can see here, it shows your credit score. So for example, if you use this dial right here and let's just say you need to spend $11,000, right? It will show you what your score will drop to before you spend the money. In addition to that, it shows you the credit cards and how you can split this spend up. So as you can see here with this Chase account, it says, using $3,500 on this Chase account will drop your score 4 points. But it also shows you your next score update. It's showing you when this creditor will actually report this balance to the credit bureaus. And it's giving you this to show you which cards to use so that these are furthest away. So for example, as you see right here, it says 27 days. And then the next account says 25 days away. And the last one says 21 days away. So it's already planning and showing you, hey, here is the card that you should use because the statement close date is the furthest away. Now, next is the Score Builder. The Score Builder gives you a plan, which is included in your membership to make your score better. And as you can see here, it shows the current score and the goal score. And then what it does is it educates you on how a credit score is put together. And then it shows you what is helping and what could be hurting your credit score. And lastly, it gives you other things that you should do to help better your credit profile. Now, another great feature that they have is the Privacy Master. The Privacy Master searches the web for your personal information. It does a scan and then it removes your personal information from these websites for you. And last but not least, included in your membership is a $1 million identity fraud insurance policy, which is great. In the event that you have your identity stolen, you are covered. So if you're interested in trying out Smart Credit, check out the link in the description and sign up for a trial for just $1. Thanks for watching.